Henrik Stephansen from Denmark, freshly qualified, congratulations. Much the smallest man in this race. Are we allowed to know, as a recent lightweight, what you now weigh and what you intend to weigh in London? So quite a long way off a lightweight. Fortunately, you're in the happy position of now being able to eat all the time. Your 24th birthday will be the week after the Olympic regatta. How are you intending to celebrate a London birthday, potentially, at least a post-Olympic birthday?
Yeah, that's going to be a good day. I think I'm going to June back in Denmark.
And why the plan to try and qualify as a heavyweight when, at least in recent seasons, you've mainly been sculling as a lightweight? Quite a bold choice, a brave choice.
Well, the lightweight seems to go in yet, so just took with him instead.
So you would have had to go in a double, and this is your chance to go in a single. What is your training program going to look like? It's hard to go up a mountain and do high altitude training in Denmark. How will you be preparing, especially for London?
That's each altitude training, but it's a nice place to row, and there's a lot of flat walls and almost 30 days, so that's going to be great to practice during the training until London.
Training in Austria, another country that has red and white colours, and we noticed in that particular qualification race, everyone who qualified had red colours. Do you believe in that theory that red makes a difference in sport? It seems to in soccer, thinking of the Danish team. How much difference does it make in rowing?
No, it's the man and the boat.
The man and the boat. Well, congratulations to this man and his boat, and every success in London. Thank you very much. Henrik Stephansen from Denmark. Congratulations.